Welcome! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to share your Snapchat profile link using the latest update. Whether you want to connect with friends, grow your audience, or make it easier for others to find you, this quick guide has you covered. Let's jump right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page where all your personal Snapchat details are displayed. Now, at the top of your profile screen, you'll see a share icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This is the key step that allows you to generate and send your Snapchat profile link to others. After tapping the share icon, a menu will pop up with different sharing options. You can choose where you want to send your profile link. For example, you can share it through messaging apps, social media platforms, email, or even copy the link directly.